If you're a Minecraft fan craving next-level visuals, you need to try shaders. In just a minute, I'll show you how to transform your game. Get ready for epic graphics. First, check that you've got Java installed and updated. Optifine needs it. Next, run Minecraft 1.21.10 once in vanilla mode to set up your files. Now, download Optifine for 1.21.10 from their official site. Remember, only trusted sources. Double-click the Optifine file to install. When it's done, open your Minecraft launcher. Look for the new Optifine profile and select it. Time for shaders. Download a shader pack you like. BSL shaders and Cilders are awesome picks. Don't unzip the file. In-game, go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, then click Shaders folder. Drop your .zip shader in there, return to Minecraft, select your shader, and hit Apply. Jump into a world and get ready to be amazed.